Welcome to Study Loop.
All right, so here we will be defining the rolling budget, right? So a rolling budget also called a continuous budget, right? So it is also called continuous budget, right? And it is a budget or plan. So it is a budget or plan that is always available for a specified future period, right? Which are always available for for specified future period, right? So this is a rolling budget, right? And by continuously or by continually adding a period, a month or a quarter or a year to the period that just ended, right? So a four quarter rolling budget for 2014 is uh, for 2014 is uh, for 2014 is superseded by a four quarter rolling budget per April 2015 and so on, right?